Hello everyone, we're continuing the series on what are the products that you have to use as you go down the path of life. We're in age 50s now. Skin is getting drier. Metabolic rate of your skin and body are slowing down. Hormones are getting lower. So you're using cleanser once a day at night because your skin is drier, very important. And then it's very important to exfoliate more aggressively. Now, yes, with your body, you should still be using Whole Body Renew. With your face, you could be using Whole Body Renew twice a week. But peel, you need to advance to peel because the more you exfoliate, and it's also helping to get rid of wrinkles. So after you wash at night, you put peel, a thin layer, face, eyelids, neck, chest, whatever's left over, put it on your hands and arms. Then after peel, you let it dry for 45 seconds, a minute. You put night regeneration and you've added vitamin A+. You need to be onto the retinoics to penetrate more deeply, lift and tighten, make new collagen, stimulate a better metabolic rate of your skin production at that point. And so vitamin A+, you're using 3-4 drops. You need to follow the instruction sheets on how to start and advance that. And if your skin is drier, because you've got drier skin like a lot of people, then you may need to add in at night Emu Dermal. Also because Emu it's incredibly moisturizing. So you can choose 1 drop, 2 drops, however many drops you need to moisturize appropriately. Mix it in your palm with the night regeneration. And also in the daytime, you may need a little wrinkle filler mixed in with the serum and the vitamin C. But those are the products that are critical to add in at that point. So I know this will help. I'm advancing your therapy. Thank you very much.